Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, my name is Bella. If you are new here, welcome, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely does help get the channel out there. Okay, so today we're gonna be finally putting the AC belt in my car, so no more race car life, unfortunately. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're gonna be putting this belt back on because it is getting really hot and well, it's like really so much sun, but bad timing because fall is like almost over and I'm gonna need AC for the time being, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. It shouldn't take long, I'm hoping, because I also do want to do other things today. Where's the belt actually? Alright, so we're gonna take a little break in this video because I feel like I didn't really get to explain what was going on in the video for the people who are new about what's happening with the situation, even for like returning subscribers. So I originally took off the belt because one, it was a cheap belt from AutoZone that was just causing an extreme amount of like squealing. But then we took it off and then turns out that like, you know, it's just, I just have a bad compressor and I never got around to just going back to like getting an OEM belt, two belts, and just kind of fixing the problem. Not to mention, literally after I took off the belt, I started having issues with my alternator, then the battery, then my car was dying, all kinds of stuff. And I'll put like, you know, like both videos that I'm talking about in the end. And yeah, pretty much what that we're doing is just putting back on my AC belt just so that I can finally have AC at the wrong time, literally when summer's like ending. So okay, let's get back to the video. So we're doing some very sketchy stuff right now because this man is hogging all the jack stands on his car and we're having to use just one jack stand for the car.
It's gonna be ghetto, but it's still gonna be safe.
I forgot that you have to take off both belts to get access to this one. It's gonna suck because I don't remember the sizes, but we're gonna figure that out. Are you really gonna use a rock? Oh my god, I'm scared to be under the car. Damn, that came off fast as fuck.
Stupid easy.
So the AC is blasting! We got AC. We went ahead and put the belts on. But dude, I'm so happy I got AC now, especially when it's hot. Like, you know a difference when it be hot as hell. We're gonna do a little test to see. Yeah. We're trying to rule out if it's the compressor or not because I'm gonna give it a little bit, like a couple of days and see if it continues to squeal. But we've been using this like ghetto way of kind of seeing if it maybe was the pulley or the belt by using Dawn soap and water, and if you spray the belt and the squealing stopped, then it's most likely you have a bad branded like belt. All right, we're gonna drive around and we're gonna see if it starts squealing, but yeah, so okay, here. Still recording?
It feels good to have AC back in the whip, huh?
I'm gonna flex real quick.
Yup. It doesn't go ding.
So, but it's still a flex, but this gives me a little bit of my race car little experience because
nothing about this is a race car.
It was when I didn't have AC.
Oh Lord. Bro, that's why I was trying to tell her, I was like, yo, there is no reason why you should not have AC in the car. Like, my car is why are you so aggressive? My car is a swap car, so I'm like, all right, it makes sense, you know what I mean?
Keys?
I do have my keys.
Can I use them, please?
For what?
So I can grab my bag. You know how the police is in our area.
Because you're black.
How's it feel knowing that we can take long trips in the car looking cool and having AC?
I mean, shit, if we... I wish we could take this to Miami instead, but I don't think we can fit a transmission in it.
Thank you.
What?
I've already said thank you in the video. Thank you for helping.
Oh, of course.
I thought I was gonna do it, but then this man got into the car and...
Well, because it was like, the car was perched up pretty sketchy. I don't think, did you show it on camera or not?
What?
Like how the car was jacked up?
Yeah,
so,
I did it in the beginning.
Don't ever jack your car up like that. It's literally, you don't, it was just on a jack stand and then a rock just in case it fell. Like, it wouldn't fully crush my head, but it would crush me pretty bad. I'd rather me be the one to get hurt rather than you. but even though you're smaller, I don't think it would have crushed you if it did fall. So whatever. Looks like it is fixed for now. It looks like it does squeal a little bit, but I have a feeling I don't remember us changing the serpentine belt.
I do. I was like, because I remember changing. I had some really, and I already talked about it, I had some really cheap AutoZone belts on for both.
We'll check your order. Let's check your order to be sure, like when we're done recording. But
ooh, wow, it's nice not having to sweat out my shirts because of not having AC. Okay, so again, I didn't get to record that much footage of us actually doing it because one, we were like in the sun, it was getting annoying. The pulleys, the thing was just being so freaking frustrating. But the one thing is, for the actual pulley, we used the 14. I think you should only be able to use a 12. Like, you shouldn't have to use a 14, but we did. And then we kept messing up because we turned on the car like twice, and the AC would start to get cold, but then the belt would like loosen up again. But that's just because he made a mistake and he forgot that you're supposed to put like this ring over the bracket and then tighten it. But unfortunately, yeah, like, he kind of messed up, but it's okay, we fixed it, and now we have the AC on, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here so it's not like a full-on rant. But yeah, if you guys have any questions regarding, if you're going through the same situation, let me know in the comments, or just let me know on Instagram at bq.bella. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.